In this video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy application of Resimac's 101 Metal Repair Paste. This high-performance epoxy paste is ideal for repairing damaged or worn metallic surfaces, offering a reliable solution for both emergency repairs and scheduled maintenance. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from small quick fixes to more extensive restoration projects, ensuring long-lasting durability and protection for your equipment. The product comes in pre-measured volumes for easy and precise mixing. If needed, it can also be mixed in smaller quantities using a simple 3:1 ratio, 3 parts base to 1 part activator. Thoroughly mix the two components with a spatula until the mixture is streak-free and has a consistent, uniform texture. For easy mixing, ensure the product is at approximately 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit before you begin. To ensure the paste is fully mixed, evaluate the consistency by scoring through the mixture. This will help you check for uniform colour and ensure there are no unmixed areas. For optimal results, proper surface preparation is critical. All metallic substrates should be abrasive blast cleaned to an SA 2.5 standard, with a 75 micron or 3 mm profile. It's important to ensure that all dust and contaminants are thoroughly removed from the surface before starting the repair. Using a clean spatula or appropriate applicator, apply the mixture to the damaged area, ensuring it is applied with excess thickness to allow for machining back to a smooth, even finish. The material can be applied up to 20 mm thick on vertical surfaces without slumping, providing a reliable and durable repair. Resimac's 101 Metal Repair Paste is versatile and ideal for a wide range of industrial repairs. Whether you're fixing worn keyways, cracked engine blocks, or damaged hulls, this product delivers reliable results. It's also perfect for repairing components like rudder surfaces, pump shafts, and hydraulic rams, ensuring your equipment is back in operation quickly and efficiently. Curing can be done at ambient temperatures or accelerated with the application of heat. Once cured, the repair can be machined back to a smooth, flush finish using a mechanical hand tool such as a grinder or sanding device. Upon completion, the 101 Metal Repair Paste can be overcoated with a protective fluid-grade coating, as demonstrated in this video. For more detailed information, please contact your Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.